What a great day for the McCarthy craft professionals. You guys make it happen day in, day out. This space is for us and for our continued education.
Today is a day to recognize the people that build our communities, our craft. We always say at McCarthy we're a community-based builder, and people kind of look at you and you know they're thinking, well, what does that mean? And in a nutshell, I thought about this last night. It means that we invest and we build in the communities we live in.
There's a lot of, not only the things that we do in this building impact this community directly, but it impacts Arizona as a whole.